Hi everybody, I'm Mark with On the Mark Heating and Cooling, and today we're going to be talking about getting your AC ready for AC season. First thing we're going to go do is go to your thermostat here. We're going to turn the system off. Next, we're going to go outside and take a look at the outdoor unit. Now that the thermostat's off, the first thing you're going to do is come out here, make sure there's no debris, no branches, sticks. You want to take a look inside at these fins as well and make sure you don't see any dirt or debris or anything built up, anything that was going to restrict any of the airflow to the system. Next, if you come over here, take a look at all this insulation. Make sure this is all in good shape, not worn, torn, or beaten up or anything like that. Also, at this beginning of every year, always want to change your filter. Okay, make sure you have a brand new one in there. Another thing to be sure to check would be switching your humidifier from winter to summer. Once you've gone through all those basic checks, next thing you're going to do is go to your thermostat, put yourself to cool, and then you want to go about 4 degrees or so, maybe 5 degrees below your actual set point, and then go outside. Once you've gone through all your basic checks, your thermostat's on, you want to go to your top of your air conditioner unit here, and you want to be able to feel the heat coming off the top of your AC. If it's about 10 to 15 degrees above what the outside temperature is, then you're in good shape. Go out to your vents in your home, see how that's blowing out. If none of those things are still working, it may be time to call a professional. These are some quick, easy tips that you can get started.